Hi students, welcome back to the building block connectors assignment. Up to this point you have created a building block that may look like this. Everyone should have a hole in the top of their object, but the two other features could vary. You can see on the right side surface, I have a tube, and then on the left or the front view, I have a polygon, an 8-sided polygon. So what I want to show you now how to do is I want you to know how to emboss. We've edited the embossing feature before, but now I'm going to actually ask you to learn how to emboss your name onto an object from the beginning. So what we're going to do is apply the sketch plane to the left surface. We're going to insert the text, that's your name, and then we'll hit Finish Sketch and select the Emboss tool to create the raised surface. Let's see how this is done. So I'm going to go ahead and use my view cube to rotate to the left view, and then I'm going to go start 2D sketch and then choose that left surface. Now what I'm going to do is from the create cluster there is a box that says text. I'm going to come up here and draw a large text box. Now from here I'm going to make some changes before I get started. So I'm going to change the size of my font. I can go here to Tahoma. Maybe I want to use a different type of font. Now I'm going to go ahead and type in my name. Now you'll see that part of the problem is here is this is actually too big for where on the box that I drew. So I can go ahead and change the size of this. I can use one of the predetermined ones, or I can just type in a number as well. So there's my name. I'm going to go ahead and hit Finish Sketch. Now that once I do that, I'm going to go to Emboss. It's under the Create cluster. Select that. I'm going to go in here, zoom in, select my name. Now in Emboss, you have two options. The first one is, which we've seen in the past, is for it to come out. And then there's also an option to make it go in. So you have to kind of decide which do you want. For ours, I'm going to have mine come out. I'm going to have it come out 1/10 of an inch, which is actually fairly small, but it looks good. Okay, and you'll see that my name has come out. Now, one of the other things that's kind of neat to do is that sometimes with gray color both on the name and on the block, it doesn't stand out really well. So I'm going to show you how to apply color. So I'm going to come up here to my quick access toolbar. I'm going to go ahead and grab some red color, and then I'm going to I can make my whole shape, which I don't want to do. So I'm going to red cancel that and try again. All right. Now that I have the color in my paint can, the hard part, I'm going to rotate this so I can do this easier. Zoom in. Now, if you hold down your control key, it allows you to do multiple letters at the same time. And then when I'm done, I just hit the check mark up here. Now I'm going to drag this out of my way so I can zoom in. Use my pan tool to move it over. And then go ahead and select a green check mark and it will apply it to all. Now my name stands out. It's easier to see and it's been colored. So that's all you have to do to use the Emboss tool. It's a really good way to make sure that your project stands out versus everyone else's.